there's this new building. It's blue. It's by the ocean. It's a bed and breakfast.
It's Blue Beach Cottage.
It's the blue. It's the Blue Beach,
Beach
Cottage.
Cottage.
Yeah. There we
You've-
go. So it's very,
yes.
very. It's well.
You can't miss it. It's
Yeah.
right at the mall,
Yes.
right by the mall. You literally open
Plaza
the
Meer.
Plaza Mall in
Yes.
Swakopmund.
Yes.
Yes. Right. So you open your front door and you're right there.
Yeah.
You've got how do they put it? You've got your alcohol, you've got your pills, you've got your entertainment, you've got your eating. So everything's sorted.
Wow.
We've got the space is specifically made to entertain large groups,
Yeah.
large families, reunions. You know, you've come down for the sport event, conference, and you're a big group and people getting together.
Yeah.
But still, if you want to be a part, you can only have 8 guests at the ground floor.
Yeah.
You've got 8 guests at the first floor, and you can lock in between. It's not soundproof yet, so you will hear your neighbors. So take everybody into consideration, of course, if it happens.
Yeah.
And then we've got a separate flat for the little smaller. If you've got like a tour guide or you got Oma and Opa coming and they want to be a bit more separate, more easy entrance to the property.
Yeah.
There's 3 garages. There's a washing station, so each unit can go into the washing station, do a bit of laundry if you need to do. But the main thing is for family to come together. You've got 2 barbecue areas. They are separate. So if the one group doesn't want to normally have fish on that side, you can have meat on the other side.
Oh wow.
Yes, so very nice. We've got, like I said, we've got the walking path also that you need to take.
Goes all the way into Swakop.
Into Swakop.
Into
So
town,
you
yeah,
can
yeah.
start here from the mall all the way into town and enjoy the scenery on the beach.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sure. Now, what makes it unique? You know, we've got a lot of accommodation establishments.
What makes it unique? It's not the backpackers.
Okay.
It is not. It is a family orientated, so it's still self catering, but it's more for the bigger, because these days you get self caterings, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms a lot, and then you get your more expensive ones either at the beach or in center of town.
Yeah.
But you don't get for large family groups that decide, but I want to take my brother, my mother, and the whole family this December. We're going to come, or any other month, we want to come as a group together and we can host 20 people.
Yeah.
The whole property. So the family can be together while they're not being together, while each one has their level and each one has their own TV, little fridge in each room,
Yeah.
everything. So you can be separate while you're together.
Okay.
That's the main thing, to get the family and the big groups, school groups. You know, if they're coming for a hockey tournament and events, you can put in the whole first team in there and all of them are together at the mall.
So whose idea was this and why the name?
Dr. De Villiers, he's the owner of the property. He bought it literally when it was flooded.
Yeah.
It was owned by people that were not, previous owners were not living here. So it wasn't well kept after, and it was a normal standard old Swakopmund house. But when Dr. De Villiers went into the house, he saw this dream.
Yeah.
He had first the idea of per room, but then you go to backpackers, and then that's not what he wants. He wants the family that needs to bring in. So Dr. De Villiers also decided his favorite color, as you can see, is blue. So we decided on the Blue Beach Cottage.
Okay.
Yes.
There's a beautiful mural on the front. I mean, I think people are drawn to it. It catches the eye immediately.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about that.
So the mural itself, it shows in separate sections. It shows that Swakopmund has separate people, dynamics, everything. You've got your lighthouse, you've got your center town, you've got your sea. So the mural also shows then your separate sections and the color.
Yeah.
Yes.
The idea with the Blue Beach Cottage is that it's ideally positioned at the beach, close to the mall, and furthermore, it is targeting the self-catering tourists that come in groups with 4x4 roof tent groups of between 18 and 20. And the idea is for them then to use this Blue Beach Cottage as a base for 4 to 5 days since they are staying longer now, and then to visit the nearest tourist attractions, be it Sandwich Bay, Walfish Bay Whale Tour, or also the desert tours and the Crystal exhibition in town. So the idea behind the Bluebees Cottage is an affordable, very comfortable self-catering unit. It's brand new, so it's also in a good state. Furthermore, we do offer discounts to bigger and larger groups, and we have an arrangement with other people in the tourist industry, such as the restaurants, where we can get discounts for groups for more than 10.
Okay.
So the idea is, if you stay here and you use the QR code we provide you with, you can get up to a 10% discount with other tour operators.
Finally, let's say I came here with my family, and on my departure day, I'm busy driving in our Kombi or Land Cruiser or whatever, or Land Rover, and we like talking about our experience here. What is it that you wish we would say?
Yes, I think the idea with the Bluebees Cottage, it's very large rooms, sunny, a lot of sunlight, very close to the beach and all other amenities. So it's a home from home. It's very pleasantly furnished. Each room has its own television and a small kitchen. So other than that, I think you want to go away from Swakop and the Bluebees Cottage and other self-catering units with the idea that you actually were at home, living in very nice circumstances with nice surroundings, but you didn't pay through your nose to live in a high-end hotel.
Yeah.
So you were actually in a pleasant, homely atmosphere, and you enjoyed your stay without too many side issues.